In this video, we'll model a fork. First, add a plane and tab into edit mode. Press S plus X and type 5 to scale 5x. Press Ctrl or Command plus R and add 2 loop cuts vertically. Select the first edge loop and press Ctrl or Command plus Shift plus R for offset edge slide. Add 3 loop cuts on the left face. Click on Edge Selection. Select fourth edge from left and slide it right, pressing G twice. Do the same with second edge. Add 6 loop cuts horizontally on X-axis, pressing Command plus R and scrolling middle mouse button. Enable face selection. Select 3 alternate faces on the left section. Press X and select faces. These will be the 4 prongs. Now select all vertices on the right side. Press S plus Y and scale down by half. This will be the handle. Set transform pivot point to individual origins. Select all the leftmost vertices. Press S plus Y and scale down a little to make the prongs pointy. Press A to select all. Numpad 1, then E to extrude 0.1 meters. Tab into Object Mode and add Level 3 subdivision with Ctrl or Command plus 3. Tab back to Edit Mode. Alt or Option plus Z for X-ray mode. Numpad 1 for front view. Select the 3 edge loops on the left side. G plus Z and move the selection down. Select the middle edge loop and move it down further, pressing G plus Z. Numpad 7 for top view. Ctrl or Command plus R to add a loop cut near the shoulder and slide it left. Add a second loop cut near the shoulder. Select the shoulder vertices. Press S plus Y to scale down. Select the vertices as shown here and move them up to create a curved shape. Add an edge loop at the end and slide it to the right. Numpad 7 for top view. Press A to select all and scale down a bit. Change transform pivot point back to median point. Select the vertices on the prong tips and scale down on Y-axis just a little. Tab into Object Mode and Alt or Option plus Z to exit X-ray mode. Add a material and name it steel. Adjust metallic and roughness properties. Switch to Material Preview and further adjust the metallic properties. The modeling is complete. Thanks for watching.